Hi, hello sir. This is the sequin materials for handmade sequin fabrics. You can buy this like this. You can buy the sequin material and do the handworks by yourself. This is exactly the sequin material. There are more than 10,000 kinds of the sequin material. This is the piece. This is the piece. 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 The piece. The piece. If you would like to do excellent sequin fabrics and you would like to DIY or you would like to do the handmade sequin, you can buy the raw material of the sequin. This is the piece. What's that? Piece. What's that?